Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Calibrate touchscreen missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem, what you can do is just open up your device, and after opening up your device, you just have to tap on this window icon, and then you have to search for CMD. And after searching for CMD, you can find Control Panel, and you have to run it as an administrator. So just tap on Run as Administrator and then tap on Yes. And by tapping on Yes, you will open up your command prompt. And after opening up your command prompt, now what you can do is just enter the code that I'll provide you in my description. So just scroll down and just tap on description, and you can find a code inside my description. You just have to copy that code and paste it in your command prompt. So you can find this code in my description. You just have to copy it and then again open your command prompt and just enter the code. After entering the code, tap on enter, and after tapping on enter, here you can see it is asking you troubleshooting and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. So just tap on yes. So just tap on next, and after tapping on next, it will start detecting problems. So it might take a minute or two, and after completing this process, just close this window. And now what you can do is just restart your desktop. So just restart your desktop, and you must have to restart your desktop. So just tap on this power button and just tap on restart, and after restarting your device, you will fix your problem. So this was the first way. There is another way. If you are facing this problem, you can also use this second way to fix that. So if the first process does not work, you can use this second process. Now what you can do is so the second step is, now in your home screen, you just have to just tap on this Windows icon, just do a right click, and by right clicking on that, you can find this pop-up screen, and over here you just have to tap on Device Manager. So you can find this sixth option which is Device Manager. Tap on that, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is Human Interface Devices. So after tapping on Human Interface Devices, you can find this second option which says Compliant Touchpad. So what you can do is just tap on this option and just right click on it. After right clicking on it, now what you can do is just disable device. So just tap on disable device and just tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, now what you can do is just again right click on that option. After right clicking on that, now what you can do is just enable that device. And by doing that, now if you'll try to use your touchpad, it will work perfectly and you will not face any kind of problem while using your touchpad. So that's it guys. This is how to fix Calibrate touchpad missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.